Okay, so the fan is blowing air going straight into the sail. If I let go of this, which direction would it go? The answer is it would go nowhere, because the air is being pushed into the sail and the sail is pushing back. So it's an equal force, which means that the overall net force is 0. Okay, follow-up question. If I move the sail upwards and then let the fan blow straight past the mast, which direction would the car go in? Let's find out. I'm gonna let go. Ready? Blows that way.
Okay, so I know what you're thinking. It's a trick, right? No, it's actually not. This completely works. Even though it looks like I gave it a push, I did not give it a push, I promise you. Even though the wheels in the back look bigger than the wheels in the front, which they are, that's not what's offsetting it. And no, it's not gravity making it go forward like that. It's a legitimate physics puzzle. The reason why I know that this works, because down here in New Orleans, we do these swamp tours and we get on airboats. And these boats have giant fans on the back of the boat that blow air backwards so that the boat can go forwards. But if you ever noticed that those airboats don't have a sail on the back. Now, of course, a sailboat works, but on a completely different principle, because the force of the air is not coming from the boat itself. If we were to push the air on the boat like we did, like you just saw in that car, it would stay stationary. But if air is coming from outside, if the wind is coming from the outside and blowing into the sails, then you're getting this outside force that's pushing the sails forward. And that's why that physics problem works. Pretty cool, right?